Welcome! Today we're diving into one of the hottest trends in software development, vibe coding. Coined by OpenAI co-founder Andrej Karpathy in early 2025, this approach is revolutionizing how developers create software. But is it all hype, or is there real substance here? Let's explore. Vibe coding is a chatbot-based approach to software development, where developers describe what they want in natural language, and AI generates the code. Instead of writing code line by line, you simply tell the AI your intent, like create a user login form, and it handles the technical implementation. The key difference? Traditional developers write every line of code manually. Vibe coders act more like directors or managers, focusing on outcomes rather than implementation details. 1. Speed and efficiency. Vibe coding dramatically accelerates development. Companies report up to 55% faster project completion times. You spend less time on repetitive boilerplate code and more time on creative problem solving. 2. Accessibility. You don't need to be a coding expert to build functional applications. This democratizes app creation, allowing non-technical founders and creators to bring their ideas to life. 3. Reduced manual effort. AI automates the tedious parts, the syntax, the boilerplate, the repetitive patterns, freeing you to focus on architecture and user experience. 4. Faster prototyping. Need a quick proof of concept? Vibe coding excels at rapid iteration. You can test ideas, get feedback, and pivot quickly without getting bogged down in implementation details. 1. Code quality concerns. AI-generated code often works initially but can harbor hidden problems. The code might be inefficient, difficult to maintain, or contain security vulnerabilities that aren't immediately obvious. 2. Security risks. Without understanding the underlying code, users may deploy applications with serious security flaws. This is especially dangerous for production environments where reliability is critical. 3. Lack of testing. Vibe coding often deprioritizes systematic testing. Bugs may only surface under specific conditions, and without proper unit tests, you're essentially flying blind. 4. Technical debt. As projects grow, AI-generated code can become messy and hard to update. What seemed like a time saver initially can create maintenance nightmares down the line. 5. Dependency on AI accuracy. The quality of your output depends entirely on how well the AI interprets your intent. AI can hallucinate or generate incorrect code, and if you can't read code, you won't catch these errors. 6. Still requires technical knowledge. Despite the promises, you often need foundational coding skills to troubleshoot issues and make meaningful edits. It's not truly no code in practice. Vibe coding isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool that requires responsible use. It's excellent for rapid prototyping and experimentation, learning basic programming concepts, automating routine development tasks, small projects with limited complexity. However, it's risky for production applications requiring high reliability, security-sensitive systems, large-scale projects needing long-term maintenance, mission-critical software. If you're going to embrace vibe coding, always review the generated code, implement proper testing procedures, have someone with coding experience validate security, use it as an assistant, not a replacement for understanding. Be prepared to refactor and improve AI-generated code. Vibe coding represents a paradigm shift in software development. It's already mainstream. 25% of Y Combinator startups in 2025 built most of their codebase with AI assistance. The market for AI coding tools is projected to exceed $25 billion by 2030. But remember, speed without understanding creates risk. Vibe coding is powerful, but it works best when combined with traditional programming knowledge. Think of it as a superpower that amplifies your abilities, not a magic wand that makes expertise unnecessary. The future of coding isn't about choosing between AI and traditional methods. It's about intelligently combining both to build better software, faster. The question isn't whether to use vibe coding, but how to use it responsibly. Thank you.